दादी माँ की कहानियाँ या दादाजी के साथ बाहर घूमना, पापा के साथ खेलना या मम्मी के साथ पढ़ना, भाई के साथ मस्ती या बहन के साथ बातें करना। विच वन इज़ योर फेवरेट? कौन सा तुम्हें पसंद है? द मोस्ट फेवरेट, जो सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है। हे एवरीवन, दिस इज़ गुंजन। आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू द ईवीएस क्लासेस। क्या तुम जानना चाहते हो कि मेरा फेवरेट कौन सा है? जॉइन मी देन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है माई लवली फैमिली। आर टुडेज टॉपिक इज माई लवली फैमिली। फैमिली इज अ प्लेस वेयर वी लर्न, वेयर वी ग्रो एंड वेयर वी डू अ लॉट ऑफ मस्ती. Family is our first school where we are given so many lessons, where we have so many people around us to bless us, to guide us, to take care of us. Before we go further, do you want to meet my family? Join me as a friend and look at all the terms very carefully. Here, I'll be describing my family along with certain terms. I hope you will listen to me very carefully and find it useful. Let's go then. See, our today's topic is relations and relationships. Before we go further, do you know what do you mean by relations and relationships? These are the two terms which describe the connection between the members of the family. How are we connected to each other in the family? हम अपने परिवार में किसके साथ कैसे जुड़े हुए हैं, यह रिलेशनशिप हमें यही बताता है. तीन तरह की फैमिली होती है. देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ फैमिली. वन, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. Second, joint family. Third, single parent family. See, these families are further divided into small and big. Now, I'll tell you the meaning of these terms one by one. Just listen to me carefully. First is nuclear family. Nuclear family is that family in which the parent live with the children. If I talk about a small nuclear family, then it means small nuclear family where parents have either one or two children. If they have more than two children, then that family will be called as the big nuclear family. Joint family, this is my favorite one. And you know, I live in joint family. Chalo, let's find its meaning. Joint family is such where grandparents, uncles, aunt, parents, children, they all live together happily and lovingly. Single parent family is that family in which the parents are not there. Either they have separated or they have left due to some reasons. Now I'll be introducing you to my family. Now just watch this very carefully and understand this, how my family is a joint family and how our family is a happy family. Ready? Sure, are you ready? Chalo, let's start. This is me, Gunjan. Remember my name? This is me. He is my father. मेरे पापा. He is my superhero. She is my mother, my mom, my food factory. You know, she cooks very, very tasty food. She is my lovely elder sister. She is my energy booster. She gives me all kind of energy so that I can complete my work. She helps me a lot. And he is my naughty brother, my happiness factory. You know, he irritates me a lot, but he is my happiness factory because he always makes me smile. Parents of my parents. These are my lovely grandparents. You know, father parents are called as पैटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. इसका मतलब है जो पापा के मम्मी पापा हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दादा दादी. These are the parents of my mom. That means my maternal grandparents. जानते हो मम्मी के मम्मी पापा को क्या कहते हैं? नाना नानी. My uncle aunt, my secret superstars. एक सीक्रेट बताऊं, किसी से शेयर तो नहीं करोगे? जब भी मुझे कुछ चाहिए होता है, मैं सीधा अंकल आंटी के पास दौड़ के जाती हूँ और मुझे चाचू घुमाने ले जाते हैं, मेरी सारी बातें मान लेते हैं। अगर आपके घर में अंकल आंट है तो आप उनको क्या बोलते हो? चाचा, चाची। ये सीक्रेट किसी से शेयर नहीं करना, दिस इज माई पर्सनल सीक्रेट, ओके? लेट्स क्विकली रैप अप ऑल द टर्म्स। अभी देखो, मैंने आपको कितनी सारी टर्म बताई, लेकिन क्या आप उनको एक बारी में देखना चाहते हो, सीखना चाहते हो? चलो देखते हैं। सी, these are grandparents, and you know, they have two sons. One is my father and one is my uncle. See, these parents have their own relationship, like the grandfather and grandmother. They are also husband wife. Similarly, my father and my mother, they share a relationship of husband and wife with each other. Similarly, my uncle and my aunt, they share a relationship of husband and wife with each other. So, as you know, he is my father, mother, this is me, this is my brother, this is my sister, and also this naughty brother is their son. My elder sister is also their daughter, and my daughter and the elder sister is also my grandparents' granddaughter. He is the grandson, and again I am the granddaughter. Now see, my uncle and my aunt, they too have children, and they are very loving. They are very helpful. We play with each other a lot. So, these children, they are our cousins. ये हमारी कौन है? Cousins. Yes. Now see, can you see there are so many different people in the house? They have very different looks also. Can you see? Now see, first we will talk, since they are the eldest member of our family, they are considered in first generation. Second is these are parents and uncle aunt. They come under the second generation. And then at the last, we come under the third generation. Now can you see all the people in the all the members of my family, they have very different look. My mother is the pretty one. She carries sari. My father is wearing a formal one. My grandparents, they have white hairs, but they look very old, right? So, by looking at the looks also, you can guess the generation of the member and the family. Getting these points? So, dear children, what my motto is here to tell you that you must help your parents, you must love your parents, you must play with them, you must learn from them. Whenever you wake up in the morning, wish them good morning. Whenever you are going to bed, wish them good night. Hug them whenever you are happy, whenever you want to show your gratitude towards them. Just hug them and touch their feet also. Share everything with them. Whatever is there in your life, share everything with them. So, dear children, stay home, stay safe, keep learning, always smile. God bless you. Thank you all for listening. Thank you.